just completed. We use espresso cabinets and a white marble looking quartz, which a lot of people think tend to be traditional, but depending on how you dress it up, you can make it a very contemporary look. As you can see with the Backsplash is a metal and glass mosaic with a special kind of grout that has an acrylic component to it. You never have to seal it, and it dries non-porous, so that's really, really good. We put in some frosted glass inserts into the doors, and the two of the doors to accent the kitchen, and then we shortened the hood, or we left the cabinets a little bit away from the hood so we can have a nice mosaic going all the way up to the soffit. The soffit was rebuilt to accept the cabinets, and then we did a new crown as well. This is a larger 36-inch range. We did a square edge profile on the quartz countertop to kind of match the profile of the stove, and also to keep it a little more in that contemporary feel. We have a trash pull over here. We have a slate quartz sink. The nice thing about the quartz sinks is that the same thing with the quartz countertops, they are non-porous, hard to scratch. You can put hot things down on them and it won't affect them. For this kitchen, and for most of the kitchens we do a double bin trash pull. So it has two bins, one for trash and one for recycle. It is a soft close, just like the rest of the cabinets. And for the hardware on the cabinets, we did a contemporary style bar pull. We did the same size everywhere, so they're all 12 inches. For the island, we have 12-inch deep cabinets because we needed the island to be narrower, so we had a nice walkway on both sides of the kitchen. So we designed a 12-inch cabinet with doors instead of drawers, so that everything is very accessible because they're only 12 inches deep. So it's basically like an upper cabinet that's sitting on the ground. This is a semi-professional baker who owns this kitchen. And what we like to do for her is make it very useful for baking. And one of the things that makes it very useful is having very deep drawers. She can put all her pots and pans in. The drawers comes all the way out. You can see everything in here. Everything's very easily accessible. And then soft close as well on that. For this Backsplash, since it is a metal and glass mosaic, we trimmed it out with a metal, Schluter is the brand. It's basically a metal trim piece, and we found a metal that coordinates. It almost perfectly matches, so it's a very great trim piece for this type of material. For this quartz countertop, we wanted a white background, a quartz that looks like a Calacutta marble. So that's the white background with the gray and gold veins. As you can see, it looks very realistic.